The laser had never expected to be so powerful. Hey guys, does the device behind me look familiar? It's the core of our latest mobile mapping system, AU20 LiDAR, the newest upgraded version. 2 million points per second, 200 revolutions max speed, and full light collection at 2 million points per second within 250 meters. Manhole textures, link marking thickness, crystal clear. Now mounted two AU20s on the AP7 at a 45-degree tilt, doubling the point density, coverage better, and blind spots gone. Even road signs appear crystal clear. Sounds like a game changer for your city, right? Well done. Welcome to our technical engineer Oliver from CHC Navigation to get this device installed and hit the road for real-world tests. Let's get started. Begin by mounting the roof rack onto the vehicle. Make sure it is securely fastened. Then install the telescopic bracket. Use the full size of hand-tightened screws at the bottom to secure the bracket to the roof rack. Loosen the hand screws on top of the bracket, extend it to its maximum length, and install the rear support. If the vehicle is large or the installation is positioned more toward the front, you may remove the secondary baffle to extend the range. After everything is installed, give the bracket a manual pull to check its stability. Secondly, install AP7 and AU20 onto the telescopic bracket. Ensure the safety locks on the AP7 system are released before installation. Lift the device and slide the lower quick release plate of the AP7 system unit into the A slot on the telescopic bracket. Once the AP7 system is in place, you will hear a click. Tighten all safety bolts securely. Try pulling the device backward to ensure there is no wobble. Insert the safety pin to lock the setup in place. Remove the laser protective cover and let's close. Thirdly, connect the power. Use the vehicle-mounted charging and discharging unit accessory. Connect the DC to 4V aviation plug of the cable to the device. Align the red dot with the red dot. Place 4 batteries into the charging or discharging unit. Connect the other end of the cable to the power output port, with the red dot aligned to the red dot. Flip the switch to the DC out position. When the white indicator light turns on, the device is powered up. Using the optional DJI Power 1000. Connect the device power cable adapter version. Insert the AC plug into the AC output port of the portable power station, and connect the other end DC to 4V aviation plug to the device. Connect to the device power input port, with the red dot aligned to the red dot. Press the hold at the power button on the portable power supply until you hear a beep, indicating the power is on. Short press the AC output switch button on the portable power supply, and once you hear a beep, the power supply will start delivering power. Once powered, the AU20's indicator light will begin flashing rapidly, indicating it is performing a self-check. Once the indicator light turns solid gray, the self-check is complete, and all installations are finished.